Hiya, it's Rach and we're back with two more premium pack sets from the Dawn of the Z Legends Dragon Ball game. So, I've opened a total of 4 packs already. I've got 4 to go of these premium packs. Then I've got 9 of the booster box sets to come as well. So that's a lot of cards to get. And hopefully, I'm still hopeful that I'm going to get the God Rare. So I'm just going to crack on with it. Hopefully this time I have a little bit more luck than I did last time, although I have got an SPR, which is pretty cool. It's a nice looking card. Pretty happy with that. Got some super rares as well, which is always awesome. So hope you have all been good and are as excited as I am. How long have you all been collecting cards for? That's what I want to know. And as usual, to start us off, we've got the promo card. Got a lot of them now. But here we go. So for everyone watching, is this the main card game that you like to play? Or are you a Yu-Gi-Oh fan? Or MetaZoo or anything like that? Let me know. Because I can open Yu-Gi-Oh cards if you wish, or anything else. It's just a matter of what you guys want. Personally, I love Dragon Ball, so these are always going to be my favourite, but I'm happy to open others, learn to play the other games, anything like that. So, off to an okay start here. Got another Bardock, hoping for the Bardock Gold Rare, but Gold Rare. Piccolo, A Demon is Born. Alright. Ooh, a Saiyan's Willpower. Nice card. His fist there. It's got holographics around it. Nice. Last one. Oh, it's an SPR. Yes. That's a nice card. Oh, that is nice. This has now surpassed my favorite card. I love this card. It is so cool. So that's 2 SPRs. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to put that in a sleeve straight away. So first pack open, just like when I opened the Mythic Booster. First pack out of the box, get the SCR. So pretty happy with the SPR. Ha! Nice. So I've got now 2 SPRs from the set. Couldn't ask for anything better, really. Although I could. Alright, let's go. Oh. Alright. Okay. Oh, haven't seen that one. Or this. Oh, no, we have seen that one. Yep. There we go. One more. Yes. Oh, it's a 10. That's alright. A 10's not my favourite out of them all, but he's still alright. And there's our rare. So, not as good as the first pack, obviously, but still good. Let's keep going. Ooh. All right. Westkai, Goten and Trunks, minus energy Powerball. Another Son Goku, and here we go. This is our holo. It's a rare too. Nice. And our last card is another rare. Pretty cool. The colours are just, ugh, I say it every time, but it blows my mind. Absolutely blows my mind. Okay, so now we've got the last pack out of our first premium pack set. And this is it. The God Rare. Not Gold Rare, God Rare. Oh, starting off with Trunks again. Oh, it's going to be a good pack with Trunks at the start. Alright. Bardock, here we go. It's another cell. Ooh. That's a cool card. So this is our holo and that's a UC. And for our rare, we've got Great Ape Son Goku. Instincts Unleashed. So there you go, that's the first pack, and we happen to get this card here, the SPR. The very nice looking card. Pretty happy with that box. So I have time for another one, so let's get straight into it. No messing around. Oh, that was clean. Once again, I'm just going to skim over this promo. We've got a lot of them. And our packs. I go with the yellow first this time. You know, yellow, gold, which I keep seeing instead of God Rare. I know. I do get tongue-tied a lot when I'm speaking in general. So it's probably going to happen a lot on this channel. Okay, let's go. Ooh, another Bardock. Zenkai. Let's go, Goku. Another Bardock in this pack. Ooh, and here we go. Here is our Gohan Rare. Guardian of Earth. That's pretty cool. And for our rare, we've got King Piccolo. Ooh. Pretty good start. That's a nice card. Alright, 3 to go. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh, yes. Did it. Alright. Ooh, it's a new, not that one. Another Bardock. I feel like I'm getting closer. I like to think that I am getting closer to getting that God Rare. Alright. Here we go. Oh, that's cool. It's an uncommon. Nice. You see that there? That's pretty cool. And our rare is Pan. United Emotion. Very nice. Alright, 2 packs left. Let's see what we've got. Alright. There's so much pressure from myself, really, to handle the cards nicely. I did wash my hands thoroughly. I try not to burn the edges. I'd get in a lot of trouble if I did. Okay. What have we got? Reaper's Cunning. He looks like one of those things from Jeepers Creepers. This is probably going to haunt my dreams. I get bad dreams, and this is definitely coming for me in my dream. Alright, and ooh, this is a good pack. Another SPR. This is, I've got 3 of them now. 3 of them. This is amazing. I'm having a really good time right now. This is the 3rd one I've got. I mean, it's not the God Rare or an SCR, but whew, this is still pretty cool. I love it. Sun Gohan, Flash of Brilliance. Nice. All right. So this is our last pack. These are good. I'm having a really good time right now. Opening presents for my birthday and Christmas is never going to be the same after opening packs like this. Cool. Supreme Kai of Time. Jada. Ooh, Cell. Ooh, so this is a rare. This is nice. Rage Shenron. I can relate to the Rage Shenron. Oh, I like it. And last one is a rare. Pretty cool. I like it. All right, well, that was the final pack. Pretty happy with that because we got 2 more SPRs. And look at them. They are amazing. They are so cool. I'm really, really excited and really happy about these. So that's it for these cards today. But don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Really, really, really want to know what you guys want me to open. And if you're having as good time as I am. Not the God Rare this time, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it's going to happen next time. As I said, I've still got 2 more packs to open in the premium box set and 9 booster box sets to come. Booster boxes. But there we go. I'll see you soon. Bye.